In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print double-sided PDF. If you want to save paper and keep your documents tidy, double-sided printing is the way to go. We'll do this right inside Adobe Acrobat Pro, and I'll walk you through exactly what to click and why. Start by opening your PDF in Acrobat Pro. When you're ready to print, open the print window with a quick shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+P. On a Mac, press Command+P. Either way, the same print dialog will appear. At the top of that window, make sure the correct printer is selected. If you have more than one printer available, choose the device that's actually connected. This ensures the options you see match what your printer can do. Next, look for the option labeled Print on both sides of paper. Depending on your printer, you might also see it called two-sided or duplex. If that checkbox is available, it means your printer supports automatic front and back printing. Now choose how the pages will flip. Flip on long edge is the standard book style setting. Use this for most documents like letters, reports, and handouts where you turn pages like a book from right to left. Flip on short edge is for calendar style flipping. Pick this when the pages are meant to flip upward, like a notepad or a wall calendar. Choosing the correct edge keeps the backside from appearing upside down. A quick way to decide: if you imagine binding along the left edge, choose long edge. If you imagine binding along the top edge, choose short edge. Once your flip preference is set, click Print. Your printer will automatically handle the front and back, pulling each sheet back in to print the reverse side. Give it a moment. Double-sided jobs can take slightly longer than single-sided prints. That's it. With the right printer selected, the double-sided option turned on, and the flip edge chosen, your PDF will come out correctly printed on both sides. If you don't see the print on both sides option, your specific printer model may not support automatic duplex printing, or the feature could be disabled by the printer's driver. In that case, consult your printer documentation. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to print any PDF double-sided in Adobe Acrobat Pro quickly and confidently.